Wagwan, wagwan. Welcome to the DIY Yardy channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. In this video today, I'm working on a 2001 Chevy Astro. And the issue with the Chevy Astro is it cut out while driving on the highway. And it has a no start condition currently. Now, after running several checks, I realized that my check engine light isn't illuminating, and because of the check engine light no illumination, then there's no ignition power to my plugs. Okay, no, the fuel pump also isn't pumping. I've already tested all of these parts. The fuel pump, everything is operational. I've tested everything. Everything is good. But the problem is, if you can see the check engine light here, it flashes on for a quick second and goes right back out. So there is some power supply issue. All right. So I kind of started this video like in the middle of the teardown and the checking, back probing and all of that to try to figure out what's going on with this issue here. And this is also after several other mechanics as check this car out and changing several parts, and ignition the computer has been changed, and still the car won't start. So what I've done is I luckily was able to get a diagram of the wiring for the computer. And honestly, it took me a while to get a hold of that. And this right here, which is a Chilton's wiring diagram for this vehicle, for the computer for this vehicle, was really helpful. Okay, but even after getting this information, showing me where all the power supplies and stuff, using my test light, to test all of these, power points and power supply lines, I finally, was able to figure out what was going on using actually the voltmeter. Okay, me using the test light actually kind of set me back. Had I been using the voltmeter all along, I would have solved this problem a long time ago. But using the test light, what turned out to be the problem is that the vehicle wasn't getting enough ground to the computer, but the test light was showing a ground whenever I tested battery voltage, or from the battery, not battery voltage, but from the battery to the ground at the test light. With the test light, I would get a good ground. So I couldn't figure out what the problem is, being that everything was getting power where it was supposed to. It was until I used my voltmeter that I realized it wasn't getting enough ground. The ground was, it was supposed to be battery voltage at ground, and it was actually like less than 6 volts, or I think below, it was like below 5 volts actually. So after figuring out that's a problem, I ran my own ground, and that solved the issue. Okay, on this vehicle, the tan and white is the ground wires, and that, running my own ground, and that's after checking everything else, that corrected my issue. The vehicle starts up, run fine currently. That was the issue. Hopefully this video helps. If you are having the same issue, definitely try to get the wiring diagram and check your voltage on the computer connections, okay, using the voltmeter. All right, bless up, good luck. This is DIY Yardy. One love.